Need a hand?
Please, we're trying to modernize K-12 classrooms, but every option claims it can do everything. More engagement, easier management, better displays, but I need this to work in the real world.
Of course, it's not about squeezing in every feature, but finding the perfect fit for your classrooms, your teachers, and your IT team.
Where do I start?
How about with the classroom experience? The right display can help more students see clearly, hear better, and stay engaged.
Oh wow, I never thought about screens in terms of access.
Not many do, but features like captions, translation, and clearer audio can help support more learners.
We also want students participating more, not just staring at the front of the room.
Well, we've got setups that make learning more interactive and help teachers check understanding faster.
You know my team can't support a different setup in every room, right?
Well, they won't have to. We help schools find a mix that's easier to manage across classrooms.
I'm guessing all that comes with a pretty big price tag.
Well, maybe not as big as you think. Display technology has come a long way, and many options are more attainable now.
So really, it's about choosing what best fits our needs?
That's it. We help you cut through the noise and build classrooms that are more engaging, more equitable, and easier for your IT admins to support. Amazing happens when classroom technology works for every learner and IT team.